We are going to study about effects of volcanic activity and distribution of volcanoes. Chapter number 4. Turn your textbook page 25. Now effects of volcanic activity. Volcanoes have a great effect on human life. Volcanoes have both positive and negative effects. Okay? Now positive effects. Creation of new landforms. Numerous types of landforms are created due to cooling and solidification of magmas below the Earth's surface and lavas over the Earth's surface like cones and craters. They add extensive plateaus and volcanic mountains to our Earth. Ama kan ngai thak to ang khanin tlang kang kan ti hian magma te lava te le chung rel tang khan aron pho chak thin kan ti to kha kami awang khanin ai tlang chungzol plateaus kan tiang chi te volcanic mountain kan tiang chi te kha aron in siam pha thina ram leilung pian mang thar kha aron siam chhuak thina ni. Volcanic rock yields fertile soil. The weathering and decomposition of volcanic rocks yield very fertile black soil which is useful for the cultivation of important crops like cotton, wheat, sugarcane, tobacco. The ash and dust are found very fertile for fields and orchards. Okay? Volcanic rocks kan ti hianin fertile soil lei tha kan tiang chi kha ron siam chhuak thina lei lung ke noi kan tiang chi te lei noi kan tiang chi te khanin lei tha black soil kan ti kha ron siam chhuakin black soil kha thlai chin atana poimo em apik takin cotton kan tiang chi te wheat sugarcane tobacco chin atana lei poimo lei thalo tukang chi kha ani a I volcanic rocks kan ti khanin fertile soil kha aron siam chhuak thina ni. Volcanoes are source of scenic beauty. Volcanoes leave a great deal of scenic beauty in the form of geysers, minerals, spring of hot water and crater lakes. Volcanoes produce valuable minerals and gases. Many valuable minerals and gases are produced by the eruption of volcanoes. Kan ngai thlak to angin volcanoes sianin minerals thilu kan tiang chite gas te ron pho chhakin tin enge ram leilung pian mang kha athak danglam kan ti to kha ram moi tak tak te ron siam chhaka lei noya changin tuilum kan tiang chi te minerals te gas te ka tiang kha aron pe chhuak thin ani. Source of hot water springs, geysers. In regions where volcanoes have been active, waters in depth are heated from contact with hot magma. This heated water is emitted at intervals from small vents in the form of hot used springs and geysers. Their steam is used to generate geothermal electricity in areas such as New Zealand, Iceland, Japan, Mexico, Italy, USA, and the former USSR. This type of power is being generated in a number of volcanic districts of the world. Okay. Kan soi to ang khanin volcanoes tlang kang khain magma hot magma kan tiang chi ti kharon pho chaka magma kha asat lu tu ka wang khan lei chung rel tui kha alum thina chu cho lei chung rel tui lum atte kha aron chik chuak thina ni kha lei chung rel tui lum ron chik chuak kha geothermal electricity siamna atanin khovel mun sang sang New Zealand kan ti te Iceland Japan Mexico Italy USA le former USSR te khanan mangna se mema tin geothermal electricity kan tiang hi volcanoes thlenna mun tlang kang thlenna hmuna khanin power siam thona tang khanan mang tangkai em ani. Helps in understanding of the interior of the earth. Through the eruption of lava, its composition throws light on the composition of interior of the earth. Scientists have gone to some depth inside the craters and have been able to bring out the samples of molten lava and have recorded the temperatures within the vent ke le chung ril ni phunga kha tlang kang awang hian kan hriat chian pha thea le chung ril kha thil sakhat ni lovin molten stage ani thil tui ril alum lu tuk awangin temperature kan tiang chi te khatianga kha hemi tlang kang awang hianin le chung ril temperature turang te kha kan zir chian thei pha le chung ril ni phunga kha kan hriat chian thei pha ni helps in the formation of rocks. The igneous rocks, which are the primary and basic rocks, are the result of volcanic activity. They are formed due to the cooling and solidification of lava. Okay. The other rocks, namely sedimentary and metamorphic rocks, are formed only when igneous rocks get weathered or change their form. Okay. Igneous rocks, primarily basic rocks, constitute volcanic activity of angalo in siamani a lava tlangkangin aron pu chua dai to atang in siamani chuanin igneous rocks pa ka hian sedimentary rock le metamorphic rocks te po hi igneous rocks ke thematanga in siam an ni ti te kan hria thei pha bokani creation of lakes. The crater of a volcano is filled with rainwater and forms a big lake. The water of these lakes is useful for irrigation and navigation purposes. The Victoria Lake in Africa and Lake Lonar in Maharashtra in India are the examples. Okay. Lakes. Volcanoes of Anghan, Tlangkang of Anghan lakes, Dila in Siam, Hamapan Kanseto Ka the crater lay Tlangkang of Anga, lava Makmaron in Putswana, no ma kanin tui, te tlingin lake, big lakes ka in Siam China, chu irrigation, Thai Chin, te Chomna Tan Baka Khan, navigation purposes, Tangkanin kan pang Changai emane, tin Victoria Lake, Africa mi te mi kan ti te le Lake Lonar, Maharashtra, India rama mi te hi khatiang tlang kang atanga lau in Siam Lake akha anni. Now negative effects of volcanic activity. Heavy damage to human lives and property. Huge volumes of hot and liquid lavas moving at considerably fast speed kill people and animals, destroy agriculture farms and pastures, flood rivers and lakes, destroy forests and cause heavy destruction to human structures such as buildings, factories, roads, rails. Sudden eruption of Mount Pili in West Indies on 8 May 1902 destroyed the whole of St. Pierre town and killed all the 28,000 inhabitants, leaving behind only 2 survivors. Negative effects are chuanin mishingin an nunna tam takan chan ba ka khan nei ro sum tam tak khan chan theni volcanoes tang kang hi voile khata enge lava kan tiang chi te makma le gas ron phu chuak chinani awang khanin mishing te animals kan ti te khanin nunna lu tak khan chan thina tin chumi ba ka chuan lo nei mun te ati chen se em china lui luan dan kan tiang chi te ti chia aram go te le mishing chen na mun building factory road le railway line thleng khanin ati che thina ne cause destructive earthquakes wave. Earthquakes cause before and after the volcanic eruption generate destructive seismic waves which create destructive sea waves, causing vast destruction in the coastal regions. Okay. Ama earthquakes kan zerlai kan soi to ang khanin tlang kang thlendu na mon pia nga hian lian hi nga thleng ve thin kan ti to kha tlang kang hian lian hi nga keng tel ve a tlang kang awang hian lian hi na tak kan tiang chi kha hi abik takin coastal area a khanin a thleng thin ani cause mass extinction of few species of animals. A group of scientists believe that volcanic eruption caused extinction of animals. Based on this hypothesis, the mass extinction of dinosaurs about 60 million years ago has been related to increased worldwide volcanic activity. Ran nung animals kan tiang chi sang ten hi enge an thi chimit phani volcanoes hi he mi ngai dan hi scientist group ina an nei ani ta a he ngai dan lo pian chwana chan po hi dinosaur 6 million years ago dei to a hi thi chimita an omna chan ber kha hi khovela tlangkang thlen chin wanga kanin scientist so chuan an pu ani. Acid rains accompanied by volcanic eruptions cause large-scale destruction of plants and animals. Acid rains siama tlangkang kan te hianin chu chuanin thlai tam takte le animals kan te ang chi te kha ati chena se em thine acid rain awang hianin kan thlai chen te kan ran volte engmosa ta kan chan pha thine ne. Poisonous gases. Many poisonous gases come out at the time of volcanic eruption and cause environmental pollution. Tlangkang kan ti khanin gas te aron pu chwa kan ti to kha kanga khanin poisonous gas kan tiang chi kha tiang ti kha ron pe chwakin chu chuanin environmental pollution a big takin air pollution kan tiang chi kha thlen na sa thin bukani. Harmful to marine life. Volcanic eruption taking place under the oceans harm the marine life. Tuya cheng chi aquatic animals kan ti hau tang khanin halo om china volcanic tlangkang ina aron phu chwa til chi sang awang khanin tuya cheng chi ran nong kan ti te khanin har sutna tam takan an tuar pha ani. Radiation balance of the earth is disturbed. Volcanic eruption also changed the radiation balance of the earth and the atmosphere and thus result in causing climatic change. Greater concentration of volcanic dust and ashes in the sky reduces the amount of insulation reaching the earth's surface. Radiation balance kha ati buaya kha khanin climatic change sikle sa umdan te athlak dang lama tin dust le ash kan ti ang chi kha volcanoes in aron siam chwa kha wana khane tamlu tuk chuanin ni kan don na turang bo khanin kan dong na thei thin lawani. Now distribution of volcanoes. The distribution of volcanoes indicates that the volcanoes are associated with the weaker zone of the Earth's crust, and these are closely associated with seismic zone. Okay. There are two major belts of volcanoes in the world. Number 1, Circum-Pacific Belt. This belt includes the volcanoes of the eastern and western coastal areas of the Pacific Ocean. This volcano belt is also called the Fire Ring of the Pacific. Out of 486 active volcanoes since the year 1500 AD, 403 are located in and around the Pacific Ocean. Most of high volcanic cones and volcanic mountains are found in this belt. Cotopaxi is the highest volcanic mountain of the world with a height of 19,613 feet. Okay. Distribution of volcanoes hi zone pahni anchena pakhatna chuan Circum-Pacific Belt antia. Circum-Pacific Belt in ahwam chin chu Pacific Ocean eastern le western coastal areas kha ani a. Chuan helai mun hi Fire Ring of Pacific tin wa enge chan kan ti chuan helai mun hi tlangkang thlen du na mun ani awangin hi khovela tlangkang tamjok helai mun a hel thlen awangin Fire Ring of Pacific chin khata chuan Pacific Ring of Fire te pon ti ve bok. ti in an vo ani chuanin helai hmunah hianin volcanic cones kan tih ang chi te volcanic mountain sang tak tak ka hmuh tur helai belt ah hianin a awm a tin khawvela volcanic mountain sang ber kotupek chi kan tih pawh kha i helai hmunah hianin a awm ani. Number 2, Milk-Walled Mountain Belt. This belt includes the volcanoes of alpine mountain chains and the Mediterranean Sea and the volcanoes of fault zone of Eastern Africa. Iceland, Sicily, and Japan have both active and dormant volcanoes and are counted among the biggest volcanic islands of the world. The famous volcanoes of the Mediterranean Sea are Stromboli, Vesuvius, and Etna. The important volcanoes of Eastern Africa are Kilimanjaro, Meru, and Virunga. Mid-walled volcanic belt in Ahuam china chu alpine mountain chains te Mediterranean Sea le volcanic fault zone of Eastern Africa te ni ta a tin Iceland, Sicily and Japan kan tiang te pawh hi active le dormant volcanoes heng hmun pathumat hian an nei a chuan khawvela volcanic island lian ber zinga chhiartel an ni bawk ani tin Mediterranean Sea a volcanoes lar zual te chu Stromboli te Vesuvius le Etna te ni a tin Eastern Africa a chuan Kilimanjaro, Meru le Virunga kan tih te ni. Hole ti khan chapter number 4 kan sova next class a chuan part B lam chapter number 1 atang kan chan ve thongang. That's all for today.